We are currently in a house that I bought about 35 years ago. And when I came up here and enjoyed the environs, enjoyed the feeling of coming up here for weekends, I decided on building a brand new house, a guest house. And I then really looked into the building of a theater. I love film, I love documentaries, I love concerts, I love sports, whether it's baseball or football or tennis or boxing.
Clive Davis's theater before had a projector. The projector had challenges where it didn't turn on correctly. If there was any light on in the room, it was never bright enough. How we resolved this challenge was by installing Samsung on the wall. The design process up front, we worked with Samsung. They laid it out in a CAD drawing. We had the technical documentations for power requirements, low voltage requirements. When you install Samsung on the wall, it works just like a TV. It turns on with the touch of a button. There's no warming up, there's no cycling, there's no sequencing of events. The end experience is just so much more enjoyable for our client.
Home theaters have evolved over time, and you started with just regular projectors. Now you've moved to digital projectors, but they just don't match up to a true LED experience. And for us, that's what we wanted to bring to the market. We wanted the viewer to have the best experience, better than what they would see and feel in a theater environment, now in their home. The wall's an iconic product, and we've been in this market now for several years. The wall has evolved as the market has evolved. The fact that it brings an immersive experience to an individual, whether they're in their home, their boardroom, it can be used for esports and gaming and showing visual art on it. So for us, it brings to life everything you want in your home.
I use it every weekend. I use it either for Yankee games, because I'm a big New York Yankee fan. I've got to tell you that the results have been spectacular, eye-opening, evidence really of spectacular quality, high definition, clarity, just tremendous advantages over the system that had been there before.
Over the years that we've serviced Clive Davis, there's been different problems in this theater where the projectors shifted because of sound, because of the floor above it, people walking. It was phone calls at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night. He couldn't watch his TV. He just wanted to come down here, hit a button, turn it on, and that's what Samsung on the wall can deliver. It's a TV. You pick up the remote, you hit a button, and it's working. We've had no callbacks since we installed the wall.
On nights where I really have a big party, they crowd in, and I've had as many as 70 or 80 people on chairs everywhere, okay? It's special. So I've got to tell you, I've enjoyed it thoroughly.